we are going to start with introduction. Now we all know that computer is versatile. That means a lot of things can be done using computers. It can be used for different purpose, and it is also useful for all ages of people of all ages. So for example, for common use we have software like word processing, presentation, spreadsheet, etc. And these are very common software that comes into a bundle. Okay, like for example MS Office, and here LibreOffice that we are using, then openoffice.org. So in Linux also we are having this kind of softwares together in a suite, and in Windows also there is Microsoft Office package wherein word processing, presentation, spreadsheet softwares are there. So what is word processing and word processor? Since in this chapter we are going to learn about word processing. Okay. So actually word processing is what? So word processing is the activity of creating documents using word processor. Here word processor is what? A software using which we can create documents. And which kind of documents we can create using word processor? Examples are letters, reports, manuscripts, legal documents, books, etc. So any kind of document you can create using word processor. Now let's see different examples of word processors. Okay, word processing software. So nowadays the common word processing software is Microsoft Word, and in that Microsoft Windows environment we use Microsoft Word. In Linux environment we can use openoffice.org writer or LibreOffice writer. These are on Linux platform. Then few more softwares are AbiWord and KWord. Using any one of these software we can create Word documents. So the first word processing software was WordStar. Okay, it was introduced in 1960s, and the term word processing was invented by IBM. And in 1970s, Microsoft created WordStar software for word processing. So that was the first word processing software, WordStar. And nowadays we have so many options and so many new features compared to that WordStar that Microsoft prepared in 1970s. Now word processing we can do online also, and for that we have Google Docs. Okay, Google Docs is there. Using Google Docs, even if we are not having any word processing software in our computer, if it is not installed, then also we can create documents using Google Docs. So let's see that example. See, here I am clicking here in Google Apps. Okay, and there are so many apps that user provides. It all this you can find here. Okay, now I am clicking on Docs from here. Okay, I have created on Docs. Now it is giving us a few options, like if you want to create a blank document or resume. Two different types of resumes are there, so these are inbuilt formats that you can use. If you are not good at formatting, you can take this ready-made formats and you can change the content that you want inside this. Then later is there, then project proposal, brochure if you want to create, then also one example is there. Okay, so I am taking here blank first. Okay, now you can see this Microsoft Word or that open office writer kind of window is opened here. There are tools also, and I can directly start creating this. For example, this is heading I want to give. I have selected this. Okay, then this is alignment. Okay, I am making it centered. Okay, bold. and then this is size of font that I can increase or decrease. Then this is color of font that I can apply here. I can insert a picture also from my drive or from my computer, etc. Then this is line and paragraph spacing between two different lines. If you want to increase or decrease this spacing, you can do that. Okay, this is bullets. Okay, bullets and numberings are there. And here you can change the font if you want to change this font and default font. Then you can select any font like this. So after creating this, okay, this is these are menus: file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, etc. So you know that all this we are getting in word processing software. The same thing is here. Here insert image, insert table, insert drawing, chart, etc. We can do whatever we can do with word processor. This is online Google Docs. Okay, and here formatting effects are there. Page formatting is also there. Text formatting. Then different tools are there. That is voice typing. If you start by speaking through your microphone, you will get it typed here. Then translation also can be done from here. Then spelling and grammar check also is there. Okay, now I'm going to save this file. For example, file, and here different options are there. You can share it with someone through email. Okay, and email this file. Then download means now this you can save it in your computer using this option. So download, in which format you want to save it, that is .docx or open office document, that is .odt. Okay, PDF also you can save it and it into your computer in this form. So right now I am taking Microsoft Word only. Okay, now it is going to ask you where you want to save this and give a suitable name here. My page, for example. Okay, in documents I have saved this. Go to that location where we have saved it. In documents, this is my page, so it is in Microsoft Word format. When I open this, if that Microsoft Office is there in my computer, then it will show me that content that I have created using Google Docs. Okay, this is how I have created my document using Google Docs. Now when I share this with someone, for example, okay, it will ask me to enter email IDs of different person to whom I want to share this. Okay, or I can send this link. Okay, so that they will able to see that I have shared one document with them. And then if I permit, they also can edit this document. Okay, so simultaneously multiple users can work on this file. That means they can modify the content of this file simultaneously from their own place. So this is Google Docs. Okay, that I example that I wanted to show you. So that is office based web apps for Google Docs.